My sister's story should raise serious concerns. When Dallas residents place a call to 911 seeking DPD for assistance to help de escalate household tensions with an explosive behavioral method, we expect protection, not excuses. Who goes to prison behind calling 911 depending on police assistance? This situation raises serious concerns regarding response times, enforcement of bond conditions, and lack of accountability by the city of Dallas. The consequences of these failures have been devastating, including loss of life, loss of freedom, and significant financial hardships. Our family continues to seek accountability and a thorough review of the 911 operator's professionalism. Also, why 52 minutes elapsed without the arrival of qualified law enforcement, for which led to the outcome of this tragedy. Yet DPD response was within minutes after additional 911 calls were placed. This is an extreme outcry for change and acknowledgement behind the city services that failed Patricia Conlon on a day where she relied on these services to protect her against a man who could turn violent with his behavior and an arrest record validating her fears. The outcome behind events occurring on August 27, 2023 was very preventable. Behind efficient and reliable response times, but without qualified presence of law enforcement, it left an unqualified protective mother against an unpredictable drug user. The entire city let Patricia down, from the Democratic judge who released Joshua for the sixth time for impediment of breath and narcotics, meth, to the 911 operator who spent majority of the call educating how to evict an individual versus acknowledging the actual distress call, which left Dallas Police Department never arriving. Patricia has been sentenced to 15 years behind Democratic judge Elizabeth Frizzell, head DA John Crezolt, whose whole campaign was based upon putting violent criminals behind bars. A progressive DA, Zach Brown, who literally got away with indicating the 911 call is fake without objection from a defense that most likely didn't hear it. Behind his hearing aid issues, the defense attorney was Reed Prosper. Public safety requires action, not just conversation. If you believe no one should go to prison behind calling for help, stand with us, share a story, ask questions, and demand answers. You can follow us and learn more at our Facebook at Our Voices Need to Be Heard, or you can email me at ourvoicesneedtobeheard@gmail.com. I'll leave those in the comments.